Hello everyone and welcome to Bevins Bricks. I wanted to take a quick moment to say Merry Christmas to everybody. I know this is a busy time of year and sometimes we all get a little bit busier than we'd like, so I wanted to take a few moments to talk to you about some of the things that I'm up to. For starters, I know a lot of people are asking me when I'm going to start working on making more of the 9-volt power pickups, and I am going to do that. But first, I'm doing my biggest cleanup of the barn ever. The Lego barn has been a complete disaster for quite a long time, and it's because I keep putting off different projects, but I'm tired of that, and now I am cleaning things up. And one of the happiest things I have done is I was able to take all the big buildings that used to be here. I've got this table pulled forward, and now I'm going to have all my large builds back in the back. And I think that's going to make for the display to look so much better. Everything on this table is getting dismantled and put away. And this is my biggest problem because I have so many pieces that I've just kind of let sit around that I don't even want anymore. So now I'm over in my build space and I'm trying to get it all put neatly into all my bins. And I'm discovering that I have way more parts than I have bins. So what I've been doing is I've been buying more Sterilite containers just to sort my parts. And I even have some over here. And I'm even taking sets that I don't want to ever build. For example, I have a pile right here, and I'm dumping them out and getting the pieces all sorted and put away. And let me tell you, that is a huge, I mean huge, time-consuming process. Another big problem that I had is anytime I was trying to fill orders, I used to have all my material stuffed over here. And then I had these two big shelves down in front of that. And to me, these shelves always kind of bothered me where they were at. And the reason I say that is because they kind of blocked my city view. And that's why they are over here. But here's the best part, because now I have all of my products right behind my actual seating station. And this is going to make me being able to fill orders so much easier. Just so people know, if you go to my website, you're going to find a little notice stating that I'm not filling and shipping orders until January 2nd. And that is because I am taking on this huge project to get the barn clean. Not only that though, because this is the holiday season, I am spending a lot of time visiting with my friends and family while I have the time off. And that is the most important thing about this time of year, is spending time with your guys' families. And now here's something else that's really cool about the shop, is I was able to take all the machines that I have. I have my brother's scan and cut. I have a laser burner, or engraver, if you will. I have my 3D printer, and then the workstation that I've always had out in the middle of the floor over there. I now bought a little desk so I can actually put everything into the drawers and keep all my parts all nice and neat over here. So this is going to hopefully make it a lot easier and quicker for me to make things like my 9-volt power pickups. So needless to say, I have been beyond busy just trying to get my workshop back into what I consider to be a good working order. And it's because I want to, number one, start making more videos. It's hard for me to make videos when everything is a pigsty, where now, with everything being so much more clean, and yes, I still have a lot to do because I still have everything on that table to get put away, and I still have to finish the mess that I have back in my build space. But now that I have this as clean as I have it, my hope is you're going to start seeing a lot more content out of me come the 2025 year. So again, as I stated at the beginning of the video, I hope you guys all have a very Merry Christmas with you and your family. I am doing the same with me and my family. I'm off for the next 12 days, and I am going to be doing nothing but cleaning the barn so we can get back to business on this channel. Thank you everybody for your support, and we'll see you next time on Bevins Bricks.